If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. All right. Without further ado, we're about to check out Jin's Running Wild official MV. Nothing else to say. Check out the links down below. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Hit that notifications. Shout out to my Twitch chat. Thank you guys for always being there. You know, showing up. Appreciate y'all. Oh, of course. Shout out to my YouTube channel. Shout out to my subscribers. How you doing, dreamers? All right, y'all. Jin, Running Wild. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bah. Oh, doggy. Sorry. I love a good dog. Like, show me a dog and I'm happy. Type of vibe. What's up, Jit? What? Okay. Aww. I feel like Jin just makes easy listen to like music. It's so beautiful and it just like gets the message straight across, you know? That's how I feel instantly. Last day on earth. Oh, with a dog. Give him some popcorn. Not him explaining. Not him explaining. Oh, I thought he was gonna wear the outfit. Damn it! I thought he's gonna wear the outfit for the mannequin. Oh, did he take the hat? I don't know. Oh, yeah, he did take that outfit, right? That's the same outfit, right? I'm not tripping, right? No, well, no, that's just the hat, just the hat, just the hat. Oh, and in the car, and the beach. Okay. Oh, this is so beautiful. What the fuck? A man's best friend. That's a beautiful dog, by the way. Is that a Mustang he's driving? Ooh. I like his O's a lot. Ooh. It's kind of crazy how much he grown, you know? There's some beautiful places he's out at. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, special effects. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Not the puppy videos. Hope they survive. Oh. Wow, that was kind of epic. Holy. Oh my god. He's okay? Oh, damn, they all die. Or I don't know what's gonna happen. It's just the end of the world, basically. Aww. I don't know who to look at. Like, there's Jin, beautiful as always, and there's this beautiful dog, just so cute, and I want a pet. Wow, that was nice, actually. The Fast and Furious. That English, though. Yeah, I'm telling you. That was nice. I don't know why. Something about him saying go was so nice to me. Wait, hold up. I forgot where it was. Go. think it's right here too. That go. I don't know why that just, I love it. I love his voice when he says go. I mean, I love his voice in general. Really good MV. I'm glad that I didn't get to see, like, it wasn't sad. It was sad in the end too, because it's just like the end of the world type of shit, and they're just running wild, just living their, like, just being happy until the very end. I'm guessing. I don't know if they died. It seems like they all, just a huge explosion and they're just waiting. Oh my God. Jeez. Oh, that dog is so beautiful, by the way. I miss my dog. Jin, you're beautiful too. It scratches my head in a good way. Yeah, it's just so, it's also really easy to digest. That's a good thing. And not a lot of artists is able to do that as well. But Jin, especially all in English too, it sounds so good. Let's go, Jin. Yo, clap it up for Jin for y'all. Yo, in the comments, hype it up, hype it up, hype it up. Running wild, Jin. It's kind of crazy just seeing where just Jin and BTS in general are just like, from when they started to now. I keep on saying that. It just feels like I'm watching my, like, little bros just grow up. Holy crap. Y'all ready to, like, check out the album? Because I'm down.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon and see you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.